What's up, guys? I'm back on Tasia G's channel. Well, you already know my co-star King O'Brien is here, and I just love coming to the channel and visiting you guys and reading the comments. So don't forget to comment below. Let me know what you think about our videos, and we're gonna be really quick. I went couponing, and of course everyone knows how much I love to coupon. So I'm gonna tell you really quickly what we did. It's actually so late in the week, but I didn't want this free stuff to go to waste. Free! All right, one moment.
J Squad.
You and me will always be tied. Family every single day and night. Even when you stop acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do. I know that I can always be myself. Now you're more than anybody else. Every day as a man, not be cool. You know there's no one I love as much as you. Family, a family, proud family.
All right, so here's what we have today. Hold on a minute and let me turn this camera around. All right, my love bugs. So here's what we have for this week, July 1st through the 7th. It was a really great deal. You guys know I have two cards. Well, myself and Tasia G. So we got the Scope deal. It's Scope and two CoverGirls. All right. So the first deal is buy two CoverGirl products and you get a $5 ECB. And so we got the we got the CoverGirl Eyebrow Fill Define Easy Breezy, and we have the rich brown, like a dark brown, and I also have Black Noir. And I totally love my CoverGirl eyeliners, and they come with the sharpener, so it's really good. So we got two of those. All right, they were $4.69 each. All right, so $4.69 times two, that was just under $10. We had a coupon for $4 off of two. All right, so that applied very well. And the second deal was on the mouthwash Scope. Now, there is a $2 digital coupon on your CVS.com. Just press it, click it to your card. And they are on sale this week for, actually, this one is $4.79 at my store. This crest has to have the Scope logo on it. All right, so you get your $2 off, because I tried the other Scope, the other crest, in the purple bottle, and my coupon wouldn't go through. When we changed it, this went through perfectly. And they were $4.79, but guess what? They weren't even tagged, guys, because the regular deal this week is like, if you buy a Scope, you get a $2 ECB. Well, I'm gonna tell you what happened. All right, so again, the first deal was the CoverGirl. The first deal was the CoverGirl brow pencil for $4.69 and the mouthwash for $4.79. You see my 4 off of 2 CoverGirl applied. My $2 off the crest. I had $6 in ECB, and I also got $1 off the mouthwash. All right, brought my total to $1.91. And I used my card to pay for the $1.91. And booyah! Got back $8. Did that deal twice, guys. So you guess that's what? $16 so far. The next deal was the Reese's Pieces. And this, guys, if you went to the red box and it printed off a coupon from CVS, my co-host is in the background and he just wants to tell you guys hi. Anyways, the Reese's Pieces was $3.79. There was a $2 off CVS coupon, and $1 off Reese's candy. All right, guys. So as you can see, my total was $2.37. That was for some Reese's Pieces and 2 bottles of soda. Guys, you can't beat that. So my last and final purchase was the three candies, Reese's Pieces, Kit Kat, and that was a buy 3 for $3, and you get $1 ECB. So my total was $3 and got like $1 ECB. So that was a great deal. Made it $2 for 3 candies. All right, so totaling it all up, that was what, $2, 5, 6, 7, about $7 out of pocket. So I say I spent about $7 out of pocket, but I brought home $17. Guys, I would say that was a pretty good deal. Spent about $7 out of pocket, brought home $7. That's a $10 moneymaker. And I've got 2 bottles of Scope, 2 bottles of soda, some Reese's Pieces, 3 pieces of candy, and 4, counted, actually 8 CoverGirl eyebrow pencils. And I like to give these out as well. Give them out as gifts, you know. Ladies are, with all of this new eyebrow stuff, you know, drawing on the eyebrows, you know, with all the new eyebrow drawing on thing that the ladies are doing, you can't get enough eyebrow pencil. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching Tasia G's wonderful channel. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the link down below, because remember, we got couponing, we got food, we got entertainment, we got do it yourself. Tasia's trying to figure out what she wants to do, and I am here to support the tea, or something like that. So anyways, love you guys to the moon and back. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, and tell a friend, because I really want her channel to be successful. I think she really believes in it, and I think that whatever you believe in, if you stick to it and keep the work going, you should get some great results. And so sometimes you need a little encouragement. And that's why we're here. I think eventually this channel is probably going to merge into something like a mother and daughter type thingamajig. So anyways, we have so much great content coming for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, hit the like button, give me a comment, tell me if you want to see a little bit more of mommy or not. But I'm going to come anyways. Love you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Spread peace and love, and we'll be back soon. Bye.
J Squad.
You and me was always